Okay, so since we're usually going to be making videos at my house, we're going to keep our fidgets here in a big bin. We're going to try to find a bin so we can do it, but I'm excited kind of. Let's search in my room. We can also ask my mom later.
It's so cold.
I know it is. Oh, I'm shivering. You know,
This is basically a fidget.
it is.
I'm so mad at it. I just
Look, it's a memory. I know. Look. There.
Okay, let's just do this.
Okay. Oh, you're pointing shit. Let's real quick ask my mom. Hold this. Talk about whatever you want.
Okay, so do you want me to follow you?
Sure, just stay in it.
Okay, looks like we're signing. Hey, it's me, your friend from a long time ago. Oh yeah, we're using a phone. Ignore that fact. Please watch out videos. Ooh, look at this. These guys. Simply amazing. I like big books and I can.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, fidgets are right here. She said there'd be an empty. She mean this?
No.
That would not fit.
No, would not.
Let's see if all of our fidgets would fit in this bin.
Probably not.
Let's just check. And soon I'm gonna get lots of
Why am I
fidgets.
shivering?
I don't know. I'm freezing.
Oh, it's cool. Let's remix.
Holy crap! Holy crap!
Let's organize it. Let's organize it.
Okay. Oh, I'm
So
shivering.
many fidgets.
I know we're gonna have some. We are gonna have some.
I'm really glad we're doing this because we'll both be together.
But when I get my package of my fidgets, I just have to make a shorts of it. Just because I really want to show.
Okay, well, basically it's kind of our package now.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm
I want an Orbeez stress ball.
Me too.
I've never had one of those.
Well,
Okay, let's start organizing.
we are both going to get a. My grandma ordered a 4-pack of stress balls for each of my siblings. My mom has 4 kids, including me. So my grandma got a 4-pack of stress balls. So I'm gonna get a DNA ball. Oh, I'm sure.
And I'm gonna get a DNA ball too. I want an Orbeez stress ball. I have these awesome shark and like squid and different types of sea animals Orbeez stress balls in my list, and they look so cool in my Amazon list. I really want them, but I don't have enough money.
I'm freezing.
Let's put our putty on this side. Our
Okay,
simple.
where's the fidget cube? I'm gonna go get all the fidgets that are kind of laying around the house, cause I know where some of them are.
Our puppets will be right here.
Be right back in a bit.
Okay. Our slime will be on this side, or like our sand. Or I'll set this right here. It's gonna be kind of hard to organize. I don't know what this is considered as. Like, is it supposed to be considered as a game thing? Like, I don't know where it is. I'm gonna put it somewhere. I'll just set this right here. Fidget spinners. I can't do it with one hand. Oh my gosh. Let's put that right here. Let's put this fidget spinner right here. Honestly, this is my favorite fidget spinner out of all of them. Let's put the cube things somewhere around here. My infinity cube, which is pretty much broken because it's so jiggly. Right here. I don't know why they send it to me like that. This Rubik's cube. Okay, let's put it right normal. Okay, right there. This is part of a dimple digit, my dimple digit that broke. They have lots of them. My brothers have 2. Well, each of them have 1. So I don't have all 10. I have about 8 of them. But I lost one, so I guess I'm just gonna have 7 of them. Here's 3 of them. I made my wacky tracks into a mini wacky track for some reason, and I lost one of them. But whatever. I am not doing a very good job at organizing.
I said I was gonna help you.
Roman, you messed me up. I was almost done. Did you find some? Here it is. I was looking for this thing. Did you find my cute thing?
There it is. Okay, so we obviously need to put this in first.
I was thinking of like putties right here and poppets right here and dimples. Look, we need to make it from biggest to smallest.
This is smaller. This is smaller.
The poppets will be right here and dimples. The poppets and dimples will be right here. Let's pop it.
I don't have any dimples.
And soon I'm gonna get another dimple. The cubes will be right here. My pretty much broken infinity cube because it came so jiggly. Don't know why.
It's pretty much broken, yeah.
Yeah, it is. The simple dimple. How about the
So
simple?
our marble meshes here.
I find 4 simple dimples. I don't know what all the other simple dimples.
Pop tube.
This puzzle ball. Let's put it in there.
I'll put the pop tubes right here.
Cookie thingies.
Pop tube. I can't believe we're
I
doing
don't know what
this.
it's called.
Do we really need this?
No, we don't. It's crap.
It is.
I don't know where this is supposed to go.
Everything wrong, you make it right.
Oh, why does it seem like we're just stuffing everything?
I don't know.
Emojis.
Flowers.
This is honestly my favorite emoji. I love this thing. It's just so squishy. One of our fidget spinners. Fidget monster.
Oh,
She made it.
this is like squishy skin. Listen to it.
Yeah, I don't know if you're able to hear it. The camera's able to hear it.
This is a sharpener. Don't judge me. I like scratching the sides with it. I think it's satisfying, so we have that.
Oh, come back here.
Actually, bye-bye, sharpener. Watch.
It
Bruh.
didn't even go far. Emojis. Monkey noodles.
It somehow does fit.
My dimples.
Soon we're gonna have to get a bigger bin.
Bike chain.
Soon
Yep.
we might have to
I
get
need to ask my mom to find some bigger bins. She's busy watching a movie. I actually think this should be considered as a fidget,
Yeah, I should.
even though it's kind of crap. These random things from my collection. I don't know where it came from.
Don't put the stupid pea head in there.
Oh,
It's literally a broken pea pop.
it was at the camera. Honestly, I'm surprised this
I
actually
found
fit.
it.
No, wait. I'm actually surprised all of this fit in here.
I found it.
Get out of here. Stop
I
playing with it.
I found it. She threw it.
You can still kind of see. Should we take this up to my room?
I found
Can you
it.
stop, Roman? Like literally. Let's take this up to my room. Roman, what did you? My mom's gonna kill you. Spank it.
I didn't do anything.
Give me the freaking basket. Hey, camera, wanna have a ride? Or all of you guys? Or
Come on.
oh my gosh, Roman! What did you do? Okay, time to have a ride.
No, I
Roman, you're pushing me.
Hello, Diego. Bruh.
Is this ducky considered as a fidget because it's fun to squish?
Mm-hmm.
Just a freaking ducky. The broken parts of my dimple digit. No, let's not put it there. Put it right. Hold this. Hold this.
Okay, darling. Get a brain. Three people.
Okay, I think that's enough for the video.
Okay, so hope you enjoyed this video. You'll be seeing lots of fidget updates. We will be getting some packages of fidgets soon, so bye. Bye.
Oh my gosh.
Bye.
Okay. Okay, I'll end it.
Okay,
Okay,
bye.
bye.